Sorry ass DJ.
Okay guys, good morning guys. Welcome to my vlog. This is Coach Budoy again guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Doha Port. Mayroon tayong event ngayon. So okay, kita-kita tayo doon. Ayan. Ayan o. Guys. Dito tayo, diba guys? Lakad-lakad. Okay guys, ito na tayo. Ito na ang pinakihintay natin laro dito sa Doha. This is the last race for this year. Ito na. Samahan nyo kami mamaya sa ating bakbakan. I-depensa natin ang ating corona. Okay? Hindi virus ha. Crown. Baka sabihin nyo, coronavirus, hindi. Yun guys. Doon ang finish line. Ayan, yung area yan. Doon ang finish line. Okay? So yan. May buya tayo dito. Slot no. Okay. Nice. Ayan. So, Papsi. Agang workout ah. Brad, matindi pa sa Spartan yan eh. Mas mabigat yan. Guys, ito na guys. Ayan. Nice. Dito na tayo, dito na tayo. Okay.
Hands up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Dragon Ball Team Qatar. And here, another premier team, Dragons.
Ay no.
And of course, one of the corporate teams.
Ano yan? Live? Hindi.
And Dragons.
Kayo na? Hindi pa, ano pa yan? Opening pa. Opening pa. Ano?
Good morning, ladies. We're number 1.
Chief Judge for today. In the name of all upholding fairness, integrity, and impartiality in everything that we do. We will be enforce the rules of Dragon Boat Racing as guided by we pledge to prioritize the safety, well-being, and spirit of the athletes, officials, and spectators. With professionalism and respect, we will act as a guardian of fair play, fostering sportsmanship and unity among all participants. By this oath, we commit ourselves to the honor of the sport and the success of this competition. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Veronica. At this point,
pinaka-best time natin sa 500 natin. Sa 500 training. Pinaka-best time.
Mataas pa. 220.
220.
Ayun o. Kayang-kaya niyo yung women's eh. Naman.
Lahat ng position na sa gitna yung PDAPR. So tayo.
Dito ako sa Malakas. Tatabi ako sa Malakas.
Ay, hello po. Good morning. Vlog ba yan? Oh my God. Oo, vlog yan. Hi guys! Welcome to your vlog. Ma'am Diana, saan ka pupunta? Ay, mga water.
Simulan na natin yan. Baka umalon pa. Umalon dito.
Ba?
Oo. Ang hangin dun galing, oh. Hindi, dito open.
Gumagano lang yung tubig. Alis pa lang ng post.
okay na ba si Ma'am Mochi?
Power on!
Good luck sa bigat ng alon.
Ang alon.
May current eh.
Yung dito banda naman. Dito yung talbog naman. Dito yung papunta naman.
Lane 1 pala K1. ADN 3.
Mabigat talaga ang one.
Come on, Wallace! Come on! Yes, 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 yes! You can do it! Come on, Wallace! Come on! Go, Wallace! Go, ladies! You can do it! Go, Wallace! Nice one, Wallace!
Go, carry one.
Nice one, K1!
Wow, galing!
Bakit wala hihinto? Ano ba? Takina tapos ako yung papahinto. Ang galing ng wireless, oh! Nice one,